Ranking. Only those candidates who attempted both paper 1 and paper 2 will be considered for the ranking. Marks in chemistry in JEE will be equal to marks in chemistry section of paper 1 plus marks in chemistry section of paper 2. Similar procedure will be followed for mathematics and physics. The sum of the marks obtained in the individual subjects in JEE will be the aggregate mark for the candidate. The average of the marks scored by all such candidates will be computed for each of the three subjects. These will be the minimum qualifying marks for ranking MQMR in the individual subjects based on the MQMR in the individual subjects as well as the aggregate marks in the examination. A common merit list CML will be prepared without any relaxed criteria such that the number of candidates in this list is equal to the total number of seats available in all the participating institutes put together. The aggregate marks scored by the last candidate in the CML will be the CML cutoff score CCS. Next, the merit list of the OBC candidates will be prepared if the number of OBC candidates in the CML is equal to or more than 1.4 times the number of available OBC seats. Then the OBC merit list will contain all these candidates. In case the number of OBC candidates qualified in the CML is less than 1.4 times the number of available OBC seats, then relaxation maximum of 10% to the individual MQMR as well as to the CCS will be applied, and on OBC merit list will be proper, in which number of candidates will be at most 1.4 times the number of available OBC seats. By applying 50% relaxation to the individual MQMR as well as to the CCS, separate merit list for SC, ST and PG candidate will be prepared. The number of candidates in each of these lists will be at most 1.4 times the number of available seats in the respective categories. While preparing the merit listers, if a candidate belongs to more than one category, subcategory of relaxed norms, then he or she for the purpose of ranking shall be considered in all the categories in which he or she qualifies. There will be no separate waiting list for candidates.